Hey guys, Valentine's Day is this week, so in this video we're making red velvet cookies. These are a delicious treat and can make a good gift for friends and family. These are the ingredients you will need. To get started, add the room temperature butter to a bowl and cream it together with half a cup of coconut sugar. Use a handheld whisk or electric mixer and continue this process until everything is mixed and smooth. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and the red food coloring. Here I'm using a liquid food coloring, so I'm gonna add a few drops and then I'm gonna mix using my electric mixer. I'm gonna repeat this process until the batter has reached a vibrant red tone. You can also use gel food coloring. Now it's time to add 1.5 cups of blanched almond flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Blend everything together using a spatula or electric mixer. When everything is combined, add half a cup of white chocolate bits. Here I'm using a cookies and cream chocolate bar that I cut into small pieces. You can also use white chocolate chips. Reserve some of your chocolate to sprinkle on top later on. Use a spatula to fold the chocolate into the batter, doing circular movements. Then chill the cookie dough in the fridge for 30 minutes. This is a very important step. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and start making medium-sized cookie dough balls. You will get about 9 to 12 cookies in total. Press down with your fingers each cookie dough ball and add some of those chocolate bits we reserved on top. Preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit and bake the cookies for 15 minutes. When they're done, allow the cookies to cool on the baking tray. These cookies are super soft and chewy. The red vibrant color makes them perfect for a Valentine's Day gift. So I'm gonna show you how to make a cute DIY packaging for these cookies. The tools you will need are red curling ribbon, you can get this at any craft store, some heart-shaped tags, I made this myself using cardboard and I just punched a hole in the corner to tie it, and a pen to personalize the tags. Get a clear cellophane bag or glass jar and put 2 to 3 cookies inside. Then cut a piece of ribbon and tie it around the bag or jar, making some simple knots. Now we're going to personalize our tags, writing some cute Valentine's Day messages. I'm just gonna write to and from and Happy Valentine's Day. When the tags are ready, insert your ribbon through your tag and tie it by making another simple knot. Finally, draw the blade of the scissors across the remaining ribbon to curl it. This will make the gift look very pretty. These gifts are perfect to give out to friends and family on this special day, and these red velvet cookies can be enjoyed any day as a treat too. I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day recipe and DIY packaging. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more healthy recipes.